Hey YouTube, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. And today we're gonna do an unboxing on this pressure transducer, fresh out of China. I purchased this from Digital Zakka, I think it's called. This is gonna be the APT 100. It's a in-cylinder pressure transducer. It should come with all the attachments, all the bells and whistles, and I should be able to hook this up with my scoop. So the price was very reasonable. Paid not even $300 for it. It was like $282 or something like that, compared to the other more expensive ones that are probably $1,000 or a little over than $1,000. So that's why I went this route. It took a while to get it. It took me like 2 weeks to get it, but it's finally here. So we're gonna see what the buzz is about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it, see what we got. Hopefully I didn't get a box of bricks or something. I'm not big in purchasing off these websites, but I decided to take a chance and go for it and see if it's worth it. If it's not worth it, I'll let you know, and then you don't make the same mistake I did. So it's already in the box. We're gonna open it. This should be in a, yes it is, in a actual hard case box. You can get it a little bit cheaper if you just get it in a regular cardboard box, but I wanted this hard case, so you pay an extra $10-20 or something for it. I'm not sure, but here it is. Everything is in Chinese, and then they have the English translation, I guess, down there. So it's the APT 100. You will have to purchase batteries separate for this unit, which I already did. I did buy those off of Amazon for about it was like $23-24. all right, so here is, did I open this upside down or what? No, but they didn't glue this too well onto this casing, so should be an easy fix. But right out of the box is not 100%, so that's a minor detail there. Okay, so here we have the unit itself. I'm gonna get it out of this box. There we go. So here we have a couple buttons here. Got the range, 0, and then you have some LED indicators here. And here you have a graph of what it should look like on a known good. So that's useful right there. You can kind of get an idea of what the waveform should look like. Here you have your power button, USB. Here you have your connection for what is it, a BNC or whatever connector, I forget. So this goes to your scope, and or I guess you could use either or. I'm not 100% sure yet. And here you have your quick connect, and this looks like a little pressure relief valve. You have your ranges. I guess when you click here, it's supposed to change colors, and this will tell you the range that it's to be measured. 15 to 500 psi red, 15 to 50 psi in the green, and 2.5 psi to 5 psi in the blue. And it gives you the 1 volt equals 100 psi, 1 volt equals 10 psi, and 1 volt equals 1 psi here. So it tells you how to read it in your scoop. So here you have a wall unit. maybe to charge the unit, because you can't put rechargeable batteries in it. And actually it does come with a battery. Huh. It said it didn't come with a battery. Okay, cool. I wish I would have known that. That was unexpected. It said battery sold separately, or not included. I guess they changed that since then. And here you have a USB drive instructions. These are your various excuse me, adapters for your spark plug hole. They appear to be made out of brass. Okay, here's a tube with another adapter. This is definitely not for a spark plug, I don't think. You can use this with various other, you could check vacuum and stuff with that, so it's probably a different adapter for that. And here is your rubber hose to stick into the hole. You can either stick this to the fittings themselves, or I'm guessing you could use this long tube here for those recessed spark plugs that are deep in the hole. So either or is acceptable. And here you have your USB connection, and I guess this is for the charging. It's gotta be for the charging. And you have a little baggie with some O-rings and a tiny little screwdriver. So I guess these are replacement O-rings for the adapters or whatnot. So that's about it. That's all that comes in the box. It's pretty straightforward. The only thing we have to do is install the battery, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do that now. Actually, we're going to use the same little screwdriver that was supplied with the tool. And boom. I believe the battery cover is right here. We're going to do this real quick. These screws are so tiny. Oh, I lost one. What's in there? It's in there. It already comes with a battery inside. Man, I tell you what. Okay, so it comes with 2 batteries. Cool. Well, I wish I would have known that, because I would have saved the money and not buy other batteries. So let's just go ahead and put this little screw back in there. Alright, so be aware it does come with batteries. I'm almost certain that in the website it said batteries not included. I'm almost certain of it. So maybe they changed that since they did the online whatchamacallit. Okay, so I guess we press and hold, or we press. Is it even charged? I don't know. Okay, just like a new unit, you gotta kind of learn it. But it should have at least a little bit of charge. Okay. Alright. Let me go ahead and put it to charge for a little bit, and then we'll try to turn it on and see what it does. Alright, so I had the unit charging for a few minutes, and we're gonna see if it powers up now. Should. There we go. So as you can see here, you got the charging or the power. Not 100% sure what this is, and you have the range. So what we could do is we can change the range with this button here, and it'll tell you what that range is here in the front of the unit here. So all you have to do is push it and then put it to desired range. So I guess it'll be on the red for in-cylinder checks, because it goes all the way up to 500 psi on the red. In the green it goes up to 50, and it goes up to 5 in the blue. So depending on what you're checking, you would choose the right one. But anyways, the 0 button is to, I guess, 0 the unit, and then before you hook it up. So it seems to be working. It does come with batteries. I'm kind of glad it does, because it sucks that you buy this unit and it doesn't come with the batteries. And by the way, if for some reason it doesn't come with a battery, the battery is I bought this 4-pack off of Amazon. They're not that expensive. It's the and I'm trying to think of the number here. Let me see if it's written on one of these things. Of course it's not. Yes, 18650 is the number of the battery. So if it doesn't come with a battery for whatever reason, mine did, you can easily just pick these up off of Amazon. It's like $20-something for about 4. They're not super expensive. But so far so good. It looks, you know, it looks pretty rugged. You know, obviously you're not gonna want to drop this or anything or abuse of it, but it seems like it can handle, you know, being in the workshop. So this was just a quick unboxing and an initial review. I will be using it. I want to test it out, and I'll probably do a separate video on that just to see how that works. So like, subscribe, and put the notification so you'll get that notification once I post that video up. And we'll give it a trial run and see what happens as soon as I get a chance to do that. In the meantime, I'm just going to put this to fully charge, and then the charging time lasts about 10 hours according to the instructions on a full charge. So whenever it gets low, you just plug it back up, charge it for another 4 or 5 hours, and then you're good to go for a while. So hopefully this will work out just fine. So we'll see. First time I own one of these things, and I'm kind of excited. I want to get more into scope stuff, so that's what I'm trying to do. So alright guys, I won't drag this on anymore. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time, and again, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.